question from a client on how you install the RY114 Key gauge protector on a Rytan. I've got my RY200 here, so let's just switch over to the alternate camera view and let's just take a look. It's really simple. Okay dokie, I have here my RY200. So when I tip the carriage down, I can see that there's a couple of set screws back here. Now I've never replaced this, but I'm going to guess that it's not a big deal to do this. I have a Allen key here, an Allen key set, and I'm going to guess it's 3/32 of an inch just by looking at it. Yeah, the Allen key fits really well, the 3/32. Counterclockwise rotation, and yeah, I can tell that I'm loosening that. Doing the second screw, yeah, that immediately became loose. So in order to change that, all I got to do is probably slide the red vinyl stop off. There you go. Whoop. Couple of screws. Machined aluminum. Alright, so we're pretending like we're installing it. We're going to slide it over. It was just folded down. I'm going to tighten up my 2 set screws with my index finger just holding it reasonably straight. And I don't need it to be overly tight. I just don't want it to slide and shift. You really couldn't see that operation, but now I'm there. Now I'm installed. Nice, tight, it's not moving. That's it. Okie dokie. So, the bottom line is, should you have any questions on how to install anything Rytan related, please feel free to reach out to us. I may need to request help from the factory on how to do it. But their parts diagrams are really simple and straightforward in the sense of you can review them. They're published. And when I look at the machine, there are Allen head cap screws everywhere on this. So I'm imagining, like a panic device, if I just continue to remove screws, probably going to figure it out. And, well, let's conclude this video on the main camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. In conclusion, I wanted to say a couple of words about the expertise of the folks over at Rytan. A few years ago, I needed to obtain the list of parts to convert one of their punch machines from cutting this brand to a different brand. I don't recall what it was. Called over, spoke to a lady, and she, off the top of her head, was able to give me a list of 7 parts that I needed to do this. And just rattled it off as quickly as I could type it in. And that always stuck with me, how tremendous their command is over the subject matter. I've owned Rytan key cutting machines for at least maybe 25 years, for sure over 20. And this RY200 is my second RY200. I own others, but the RY200 is my daily driver, so to speak, if I'm going to manually duplicate keys. If you're not sure if you should be looking at Rytan in terms of a key machine manufacturer, don't hesitate. Absolutely not. Most companies' key machines are really good, whether it be HPC or Framin or Kaba/Silica, etc. Rytan is one of those tools that in the lock shop you need to have. I think you do need to have an HPC Blitz. Those are awfully handy to originate keys. But you're not going to cut 10 copies on a Blitz. You're going to cut 1 on the Blitz, you're going to make sure it works, and you're going to bring it over to your RY200, and you're going to make hay while the sun shines. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.